Morning guys, back out west, 1 week to go to the Taranaki Classic, so I'm just going to do a little bit more scouting. Went to the first location to catch up with old mate Rex, and we've decided it's not worth the risk, so I'm relocating. Typical with the west coast, it's pretty exposed in places and you just got to weigh it up. So hopefully there's flatter conditions in the Classic, but you just never know on this coast.
Good luck, bro.
Yeah, cheers mate.
Yeah, catch that one, that's
I don't know if I'll be a hero today. I might put my rods down. I'm a bit gun shy. Pretty easy if you get it right, but do I take the risk? I've already snapped enough rods. I'll keep one rod up. I'll halve my risk factor. Are you taking all yours down, Rex, or are you going with them up?
Depends where that GoPro's pointing, whether I take him out. Don't break the image.
Arena guys, 1 week to go to the Taranaki Classic. Just out doing a little bit of exploring. I'm going to stretch my back a bit. I'll be too tight and struggle next weekend if I didn't do this. Out with old mate Rex and his mate Nick. Nick's second time on a kayak. Fishing kayak. He's doing well. No, that's enough pissing around. We're get into it. I'm going to send a troll lure out first. Little bib lure. First one back to Tangaroa. But that would be a beautiful ivy. Well, I've stopped. I need to get my net out. Got a little bit of sign on the bottom, so I've flicked the soft bait back behind me and we've hooked up onto something reasonably solid. That's a prime eating fish. Alright, the question is, it's going to be a long day on the water. This is early in the day. Do I keep the fish or let it go? You're going to go back to Tangaroa, and well, we've got you and your mates there underneath us. We'll just drop straight back down. 8 metres deep. There's a very social fish in this area. If you get one, you normally bring all your mates around. Yep, there we go again. Oop, dropped him. Oh, that's a solid one. That's a solid one. Oh shit, yes. That is another level up. Well, and truly another level up. Oh, and the bib lure's got one on too. That's getting towed along as well. One on the bib and one on the soft bait. Just take it and drag it a little bit. It's into the fight. It's coming up. Get the net ready. Oh yeah, that's a decent snap. Decent snap. Look at that big donk. Big donk. We'll get this one released and then deal to the other one. You're a heavy fish. finger too, bud. Get that soft bait out here first. Get it feeling you, swallowed it down real good. So I've got the pliers handy. See if we can get a photo and a release off you now, big fella. There we go, nice heavy fish. Yes. Right, we better see what's on that other rod. That was really taking off, but I think it's been cut through. Now, mate, we still have a fish on. Crazy. The Kahawai. Beautiful Kahawai. We're not going to be on the water for a huge amount of time today, so some stage I'll have to start keeping some. Back you go. Well, my goal for the day was to explore a couple of spots that I wanted to check out before the Classic. Big mistake, don't leave fish to find fish. Well, we've come back to where I was catching the fish before. Little slow jig, drop down. Fish are obviously holding in the spot. I need to mark it. So this reel I'm using is a hybrid. So it was a one I had about 10 years ago at the base of it, and I damaged name would come to me, it's a dial reel, and I damaged it in the front of the top of it, and then I had a Saltus Nero black die on me, and I've used spooling that off that, so I've hybridized it, and it's still really nice, got a nice drag, feels smooth. There's so many fish under me at the moment. Some good fish under me too at the moment. That's where the biggies are hiding. Oh yeah, nice snapper. Nice snapper. Another nicey. Another nice solid snap. Another nice fish. Back we go. Yeah, boy. Awesome. Oh, good excuse to try out my fluorocarbon dispenser I've made on the sewing machine.
I spent the next 3 to 4 hours exploring the shallows before I headed out a slightly deeper and rounded the day off with some nice kahawai.
Don't bag on our hands. That's a set you don't want on your way in. And this one. Really going to have to pick it.
What an awesome day on the water with Rex and Nick. Nick had an epic story about the rod and reel that got away. Asked him about it at the Classic, lads. Great story and a real commitment for a second time on a kayak.
Guess who was the chump that turtled?
Namihi team, thanks for watching, and if we don't catch up with you at the Classic next weekend, we'll see you in the next vid.